Since their outrageously successful introduction of the CR10, Creality has developed and released new, exciting printers year after year. They're no one-hit wonder. Following the CR10 was the Ender 3, a smaller machine built off the lessons learned from the CR10 and reassembled into a compact and affordable package. With such a low cost of entry, the Ender 3 V2 is a fantastic way to dip your toe into the 3D printing waters and start yourself off right. Creality has done it again with their latest Ender 3 V2 with several new quality of life upgrades and some major improvements as well. Let's break it down. For many people using the original Ender 3, upgrading it with aftermarket components and open source designs was a regular part of the 3D printing process. Creality cut out the middleman and rolled some of these ideas into the V2. Previously, manually jogging filament through the extruder was slow and tedious, but with the new injection molded wheel, it's simple and easy to load your new spool of filament. To keep the X and Y axis belts under proper tension, injection molded knobs now allow for easy adjustment to tighten them up and eliminate ringing artifacts. To improve quality of life, a silicone sock wraps around the heater block to keep it warm and printing temperature stable, and a small drawer hides away under the printer bed to store all your spare accessories and tools and to keep them at the ready. These are just a handful of the small improvements Creality has made, but each of them will make getting used to your new 3D printer an incredibly easy task. From the start, the Ender 3 has been a fantastic 3D printer for beginners and proficient 3D printer users alike. The aluminum extrusion construction is dual purpose. The frame is rigidly assembled, which prevents artifacts in your 3D prints and provides a smooth surface for the V-slot wheels within each carriage to write on, making every movement consistent and repeatable. The newly developed motherboard is quieter than ever, with a TMC 2208 stepper driver for every axis. The loudest part of an Ender 3 V2 are the fans, a considerable update from the reliable yet noisy stepper drivers of old. A full-color LCD allows even the newest of users to intuitively navigate through each menu, forgoing previous two-color interfaces. The carborundum glass bed uniformly distributes heat while printing and uniquely contracts just enough for your 3D prints to easily separate when cooled. Creality made sure to listen to the praise and critiques of the 3D printing community to bring this incredible machine to market. As part of the Maker Bundle, the Ender 3 V2 includes several upgrades to unlock even more functionality. MicroSwiss is known for their high-quality 3D printer accessories and components, and their drop-in hot-end replacement is no exception. The original PTFE lined hot-end has a maximum printing temperature of 255 degrees Celsius, but the MicroSwiss replacement can reach as high as 300 degrees Celsius, a necessary improvement to use advanced materials like PETG or nylon. To install, simply unscrew the old hot end, remove the electrical components, and install the MicroSwiss all-metal hot end. Uptime is key, and if you want to go from print finished to print started as fast as possible, the Biltek FlexPlate system can make that possible. A plate filled with an array of neodymium magnets is attached to the bed of the Ender 3 V2, and a spring steel sheet with a Biltek adhesive sheet applied to it is all it takes. Of course, any 3D printer needs quality filament to produce quality prints, which is why this bundle includes spools of MatterHackers Pro Series PLA in a variety of colors. Altogether, this bundle truly has what you need to get started on your 3D printing journey. Creality has made themselves an integral part of the 3D printing community with their affordable and accessible options for every maker. From the robust Ender 3 V2 to the trusted CR10 and its derivatives, you can find the printer you need with the upgrades you didn't know you need all at MatterHackers.com. Hey there, thanks for watching that tech breakdown on the Ender 3 V2 Maker Bundle. My favorite feature has to be the full color screen, which I think more 3D printers should have because it's really intuitive to be able to walk through the different options. If you want to read some in-depth articles, you can go to MatterHackers.com, or to stay up to date with all of our digital manufacturing content, be sure to click subscribe. See you in the next one.